OOTD. Pretty much same outfit as yesterday, different font. Are you gonna focus? She doesn't want to focus. Harley tee. Love this shirt. Got this from Poshmark. Cut off Wrangler shorts, unbuttoned because we're feeling a little bloated today. My Bostons and some cute little socks. How cute is that? We're currently in my happy place, my favorite plant store. I don't know if I'm getting anything. They just got these in. Hold on, I'll show you. Look at these Mickey Mouse alocasias. Oh my god. They're so cool. I love them. But they're like 50 bucks, and I don't know if I need one. But they're so cool. They got more little fried eggs in. I have one of these. Look at all the Adansonii. Oh, they're so pretty, but I always do bad with these. They always get root rot. I have two, and neither one is doing great. I have one in Leca, but they're so pretty. Look at all the Tycons. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I don't need another one. I don't need another one. They're expensive. Heck no. Look, he's getting a new leaf. Oh, they're so pretty. I hate filming in public, FYI. I'm trying to like hide. Ugh. Look at this big ass Tycon. Oh my gosh. They just got this in. That thing is massive. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at the variegation. Oh, I love it. Hopefully mine one day. No, it's not gonna happen. Mine won't get that big. But that's crazy. I'm getting this little guy. He's cute. I don't know what else I'm getting yet. So this is what I have so far. This little calathea. I love them. The one I have is doing really well, but this one's so pretty. Another split leaf. This is a neon one, like a lemon lime. It's so cute. But I'm debating if I want to get this guy. He's really cute. But I don't know if I need him. But I really like him. My arch nemesis, the spider plant. There's so much to see in here. Although they're actually running low. Usually it's like filled, but because it's end of season. Oh, these are pretty. What are these? I don't need to put any plants outside. I have so many. Oh, I love these. These do really well outside. I have one of these inside, Caladium. They do really well. They're so simple. Oh, look at him. He's cute. Oh, this is that one I have on my porch that I told you guys I loved. Persian Shield. Yeah. They're cheap. They're easy. They just like a little bit of shade. They're so cool. Alright, I think I'm going to get these three. I may put him back, but I definitely want these two. I'm not getting that Mickey Mouse one because it's like 50 bucks and I really don't need it. Ugh. I changed my order. Now I'm getting this guy. He's so cute. And I'm still getting him. And they have a little coffee shop here and they have the best like refreshers. This is peach mango with dragon fruit. Delicioso. So I think I'm done. Oh, I don't think there's anything else I need. I do love these little prayer plants, but I already have two of them. These are new. They just got these in these begonias. They're so beautiful. But I don't know where I would hang one in my house. I need to get some more like options for hanging stuff because they're really cool. How much are they? I didn't even look. Oh, 37. She's a little pricey. She's really cute though. Oh, that Tycon, that big bitch is so sexy. Oh my god, how did I not freaking see these? I think this is the one that I want. Oh my god, Syngonium elbows. I love him. I think he's the best one. Because he has some white, but like not too much. Because the white's actually not good for them. It serves no purpose. It just looks so pretty. I think I want him. They are insane. Oh yeah, this is the guy for me. I love him. Shit, I need to get out of here at least. I don't know, I might put him back. I don't have my heart set on him. Okay, so I ended up with the Syngonium elbow. He's so beautiful. I love him. And the lemon lime Philly. I have him in my Chick-fil-A cup holder. Hold on. Because they didn't have a small enough box. Oh god. So I put him in my box from yesterday. Now he's stuck. This little guy. I think he's okay in there until we get home. Yeah. He's gonna be okay. Okay. I really wanted one of those Mickey Mouse alocasias. I don't have anywhere to put it. This is so good. Look how pretty it has, like, dragon fruit in it. These towels have been sitting in this basket all week waiting to be folded. So, probably should do that. I love cleaning. It's like my stress relief, but I also bitch about it at the same time. Some days I'm in the mood. Today I'm not really in the mood, but it needs done. Look how cute this towel is. Got it at Home Goods. Love it. I have so many cute bath towels. I cannot buy anymore. There's not one day out of the week that my dining room table is not filled with laundry. Not a one. This is something nobody knows how to do. It's like, I know it's really difficult. I've showed them many times. They can't get it. It's kind of worrisome. What are we doing? He has a speaker in the bathroom now. Oh my gosh. Kids drive me crazy. I don't know. How many toothpaste can we put into the little toothpaste cup? How about we just stick with one? That's a great idea. I can't find these Fabuloso wipes anymore. I used to find them at the dollar store. They don't have them anymore, and these are my favorite. I'm almost out. I think this might be my last one. So sad. I'm here. Oh my god, you guys. I got like purple ink on the camera, and I can't get it off. Shit. Anyway. I ran to Bath and Body Works with my daughter. I didn't get any candles, which was kind of what I went for, but I did get this. They had all their body sprays for $5. I don't know. After I got it in the car and I sprayed it, I'm like, do I hate that? I like it. I like it at first, but then afterwards there's like a powdery scent that I'm getting. It's called Chasing Fireflies. And the notes are golden pear, jasmine blooms, and illuminated woods. Like, what is in illuminated woods? I'm dying to know. It smells pretty good. I'm not sold. But look at this little fucking mushroom. Are you, it matches my shirt. Are you kidding me? Why does that bring me so much joy? Look at that little angel. It's for a little candle, but you know I'm gonna put a plant on it. Oh my God. Oh my God. It was... Give me a plant. Like, are you kidding me? Look at this. Shut the hell up. That is so cute. That is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know. And look, a mushroom on top of a mushroom? Are you kidding me? Adorable. So add him to the collection. They only had green, which I love the green. This is like one of my favorite colors. It's a little more olive than I usually go for, but like a sagey green. So, right now I'm just kind of playing around with my plants. We just walked the dogs. That's about it. We're debating tomorrow if we're gonna go. This one band that we really like is playing tomorrow, but they're playing at noon. And it's outside, which I kind of hate. But I think we're gonna go. So I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna risk it and I'm gonna take my camera. Tony will be in charge of it. I don't know if I'm gonna drink at noon, but I'm not opposed. Like, it may happen. I might get shitty at noon. I'm not above it. So, these are those pants. Did I show you guys these? I know I showed them on Snapchat. These pants from Target. They're Wild Fable. They're like wide leg. What is that? There's like a hair. Like wide leg baggy cargo sweats. And they're so comfortable. They're so soft. I love. If you're a tall girl, you need. They're called like high-waisted cargo sweats. They're $28. They have this color and then they have like a tan. But oh, I love the black. I got a large. The medium actually fit me better, but they weren't quite long enough. Oh my God. My heart is aching for how cute this is. Did I need it? No. Do I love that I have it and like couldn't imagine my life without it? That'd be a yes. Look at this. We're going to add it to the collection. Come with me. What? I mean, they're not organized properly, like, but you get the picture. What the fuck? Who has a concert at noon? It's like 8:30 right now. We have to leave at like 10:30 because we have to pick Tara's daughter up. And I had to redo my freaking nails last night. 2 of my gel nails popped, just like peeled right off. What the frick? Tick me off, but I love this pink. It's so good. So hopefully these last longer than a day. And my grays are coming in. Goody goody gumdrops. Where's my fan? Alright. I still have sleep in my eyes. And I have a pimple forming up here. I think it's from that CosRX face wash. Every time I use it, I get a little pimple. I'm gonna use this guy today because it has SPF in it. Really want to use my Rare. Oh, she is SPF 20. We're using her. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? That's so cute. I need a minute. That is so cute. Whoa. What the heck? I was gonna wake up super early and wash my hair. That didn't happen. So we're just gonna have to put it up in a bun. It's gonna be outside anyway, so I feel like I'll be all like wind blown, so I don't really care. That color is so good. The hyperpigmentation that I have is getting really bad. I'm just not gonna look at it. And I don't have time to fluff around. You gotta get done, Nicole. I'm gonna turn my camera off and go bust through this. And I will see you when I'm done. I said to Tony, let me go get my camera so I can vlog a little. He goes, wow, you're wasted? I feel so crap. We started drinking at 11:30. 11:30 in the morning. Day drinking is not my forte. Like, I can do it on the cruise, but in like day-to-day life, it really knocks me on my ass. And then I came home and ate spicy ramen. Do you hear that? I'll just wait. So, I'm off to bed. Can you, oh. Either my head's cut off or I'm just like, what the fuck, Nicole? All right, well, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I don't puke. Love you, bye. Also, I forgot to take my camera. You guys, I'm so sorry. I was so mad at myself in the car. I just kept saying, I can't believe I forgot my camera. I can't believe I forgot my camera. I mean, I couldn't have vlogged the band, and that was pretty much all we did. But I'm gonna try to get better. I'm gonna try.
I started vlogging and I don't even remember doing it. I was shoveling Pizza Hut into my gullet. Tony was like, you're gonna vlog wasted? And I was like, I'm on Snapchat wasted, so why not put it on YouTube? My music's so loud. Is that my hair? Oh, good God, goodbye. I could pull it down and then you could see my V. Bitch! Have you ever had a V? You dumb hoe. I'm leaving. Cotton candy, sweetie, let me see that Tootsie Roll. Get Tootsie Roll, let me see that Tootsie Roll. Do not make me. It's my toe. Okay, I gotta go.